Hey guys, wanna know how to create an account in PUBG Mobile? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to guide you and explain you step by step on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first up, creating an account in PUBG Mobile is the same as the login in process. So first up, what you gotta do is right here you can see this sign up or login screen right here. You need to have either one of these three accounts. So Twitter, Facebook, either phone or email, and right here you can see Play Games, Apple as well. So you can just select any one of these and make sure you have created a new account in your Facebook or Twitter or anything else as well. So once you've done with that, there should be a pop-up coming up saying continue as your user right here. And once that is done, you should be automatically logged in, just like this. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.